Super 10 IELTS, and since you have clicked on the link, we have understood that you are not looking for any shortcuts and you want to prepare for your IELTS exam very sincerely. But there is little guidance that you would require for the same. And that's why we are making this video so that you can understand how to prepare for IELTS. Now these are very simple steps and there are 3 in number that you can follow so that you're not confused at any point of time. Am I doing it right or am I doing something wrong? You have the proper guidance at every step. So let's have a look at each step. Let's start with step number 1. Now when you look at step number 1, it says, where do I want to go? Now you know that you want to clear IELTS, yes, but what exactly do you want to achieve in this? So for example, you want to travel somewhere, you want to go to Himachal, you want to go to South India, you want to explore maybe something. So you know that where you want to go, but you have to decide exactly what is your destination. Now, is it academic? Is it general? What is that you require? So once you figure that out, you also have to figure out what exact scores you need. So some of the countries ask for 7+ band scores. Some of the countries are okay with 6+ or something like that. So you have to do your proper research, whichever course you have applied for. You know what is your target score. If your target score is not clear, you will not know how to reach there. So when you know that you have to go to South Goa or when you know you have to go to South India, whatever it is, you have the clarity in your mind, and when you have the clarity, you can prepare exactly for the same path. Now once you have understood this, let's say you want to score 7 in your IELTS. I have to go to next step and look at where am I right now. Are you currently in Delhi or are you currently in Kurukshetra? Where is it that you're exactly at? So you have to decide that, because if you do not know where you're right now, you won't be able to reach to your destination, because you have to make the budget as well for the same. Now you have to know that through either your past scores. So maybe you have taken IELTS already, then you can know your score from there. Or if you're taking it for the first time, you can look at the practice test or proper tests that are available on the website of Cambridge, British Council or IDB. These are official websites and they give you authentic material. So please just don't go out randomly in the market and buy anything in the name of IELTS. Please make sure they give you the authentic material. You have the Cambridge books also available for the same. You can just go and buy or download it, whatever suits you. But please make sure that you have proper practice test for the same. And I would suggest that you take this test 3 to 4 times, because 3 to 4 times would give you an idea about your constant scores. Maybe you scored 5 in one test and 6 in one test, so that can give you an average of where you stand right now. So that's it. Please take the course at least 3 to 4 times. Otherwise, you can reach out to Super 10 as well. We can help you understand where you stand right now and how to reach to your destination. Okay, so once you are done with this, once you know that in reading you stand at 5.5, in speaking you stand at 6, in listening you stand at 7, in writing you stand at 4.5. That's just an example, do not worry. You can go for the next step, which is, what do I need to do to go there? Now this is something that you will struggle with, because since there is no guidance, you will have to actually understand, if I have this score right now, how do I reach to my target score? What do I do? That's why we are here. I'm making this video so that you have to understand in this step, if you are on reading 5.5 and your target score is 7, speaking 6 and target score is 7, this is where you stand. You will have to look at the difference that you have right now. So if you look at the pattern, listening is something that you're all right with. Writing is something that you're struggling with the most. This is just an example. You will have to do self-analysis for this. Reading is something that you're again struggling with a lot. Speaking is somewhere sorted. So you understand that the part you're struggling with most is your writing part. Now you have to focus on writing module the most, and then after that reading, then speaking and listening. Please do not be okay with 7-7 because it's just a risk factor right now. Had it been 8, then you could have been fine. But since this is 7-7, you still need to focus on this so that you can score the target score. Okay, so once you know what is the gap you have to cover, you start preparing for the same modules. So let's say you start with writing. You have to understand that there are multiple things even in writing. You have to do the self-analysis once you take the practice test. What exact mistakes are you making? Is it related to spellings? Is it related to vocabulary? Is it related to sentence structure? So if you find that out, you will be able to figure out, oh, these are the things I have to improve at. Now you will be like had I known that, I would have been at 7. And that's where we also come into the picture, or that's where the practice tests also come into the picture. So if you want help with what do I need to do to go there exactly, let's say in writing, how do I improve? Or let's say in reading, how do I improve? In speaking, how do I improve? What is that I should do? We are organizing a mini workshop for you all so that you can individually get a feedback on your performance right now. Also, you can understand if you want to reach or score good in writing or reading, how is that you can do. So please reach out to us to register for this workshop. You can find the link after this video, and we can help you to prepare in an utmost modern way so that you know you are following a proper strategy to help you clear your IELTS. And we want to make sure that you clear this in the first attempt itself. So please do not compromise with your efforts. If you are sincerely looking for putting your efforts forward, you can reach out to us and we'll help you with that. Thanks a lot for joining. See you at the workshop.